Hey, what's up guys? Travis here with Every Single Sunday and BikeBandit.com. Today we are in Oregon and doing a little bit of scouting with our friends from Ready to Ride Rentals here. We got Ryan from AZ Dirt Bike Training joining us as well. So today's video, we are kind of just hammering through, hauling ass, and having a great time. So this is going to be one for the books. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. For everybody else, send this to a friend because this is going to be a video that they're sure to want to see. Woo! So this stuff is so much more slick than back home. Growing up in the desert, everything has traction. Up here in the Pacific Northwest, everything is covered in slime. It's something slippery covered in slime. And I'm not complaining, I'm just saying it's just different and fun. Oh my God. That was deeper, I didn't expect it. Wipe you guys off as soon as I can get a hand off here. I didn't even get stuck at the hard spot. Oh my God, I can't even see where I'm going. The bike's just locked into a rut. Put the feet out to ski and Alright, so we are still working our way up the side of this mountain. There we go. Oh, what do I mean? There we go. We just got off the fun trail. How you feeling, Bo Bear?
I'm feeling great. I'm so happy.
Me too. Come on, down this hill. Oh, this one's a little bit steep. Good traction so far, though. Oh, woo! That scared me. Took a big tree sticking out the side of the trail Would have got me right in the thigh, but luckily my Mobius knee braces got me.
Dagger got you.
What butt? Dude, I got lucky. That was a... This wasn't torn before. And now I am on the 350. Holy shit. Dude. I got super lucky right here. This stick came through between the handlebars and the radiator, hit me in the chest. I don't wear a chest protector or anything. If Ryan wasn't stopped just ahead of me, I would have been going a lot faster trying to charge through here. This thing, 3/4 inch thick, hit me hard enough to break off, as you can see in the picture right here. So super lucky, and protective gear's there for a reason, guys, so don't skimp on it. That hurt. It hit hard enough. All right.
Up, and you went right under his handlebars.
And got me just, it feels like someone took 2 fingers and hit me as hard as they could.
He was only going in first gear.
Yeah. All right, so stop. Okay, like I was saying, try to go up to the right there. Quite a few down trees right now still, so not looking too passable. All right, get back on my 21 gas EC300. Love this damn bike. 350 wasn't bad though. 350 was not bad at all. Woo! That was a deep one. That wasn't smooth. Ow! Smashed my hand. I'm used to having wraparounds. Guess those are good for riding in the trees also. Almost went down into that puddle from my butt. All right, tightening it back up. Noticed I am not talking much today. Too much thinking going on for that. Usually if I'm talking, there's a little bit of extra left on the table for my riding today. Ride a little faster. Trying to keep up with Ryan here. Making me actually shut up and not talk as much. Woo-hoo-hoo! Whew, kept it together, that was good. Ripping my feet off the pegs through here. Whoa, keep your head down. Woo! Alright guys, we're making new tracks today on here on our stuff. So basically Ryan knows where we're going. He has his tracks. We're using the TrailTech Voyager Pro here to route our loop for the day so that when I come back I don't have to go with these guys. I get to ride with some good friends. Anyway, pretty damn cool. And yeah, too much fun. Go. 3, 2, 1. All right.
There's a picture in this.
All right, back into some tight stuff. And from what I understand, there's a couple pretty steep sections in here. Can't even see them in the bushes, but there's like a few little 1 foot, 2 foot drop offs right there. The Schmidt Performance suspension just soaking it up. Oh my gosh. Wow. The trail's pretty cut in. Yeah, there's a lot of grooves in some of this stuff. You can't really deviate from the path you're on or it wants to pull you off the bike. Ugh. Whoa, shoo! That came out of nowhere. I didn't even see that last drop. It just, all of a sudden, there is no weight on the front of my bike. I'm like, we're going down a hill. Wow. Probably looked flat, probably looked about this big on the GoPro, but that thing is pretty wild. Bypass man's line. Alright, so, alright, they say this is hard. This hill just keeps going. You did fucked us. You done fucked us good. So Ryan just spent 10 minutes up there spinning his tires. So we're gonna get stuck, but he didn't have a gummy. Ugh. Ow! That hurt. Okay, I'm all right. I think. Let me. So at this point, I'm trying to make it up this hill that is essentially greased snot. It is so slick and just something I'm not used to and absolutely terrible at. So pull out my Dirt Bike Channel tow strap here, toss it to Bo from Ready to Ride Rentals. He pulled it up. Anyway, Ryan ends up hopping on my bike because I was just burnt out, fat, and out of shape, and they took my bike up for me, and then Bo goes through, ghost rides his bike up and stuff. So anyway, this is just me struggling for a couple minutes, but I figured I'd leave it in here because it's something I do all the time, and it's something we all do. So there's no reason to edit it out and make myself look like some god that I'm not. Ready? Probably. Or I could call a helicopter to take me up. You made it.
Up is up.
That's how you fucking do it.
Do that same thing on this next one.
So Ryan getting my bike up, Bo helping me pull it with a rope. Those two guys being champions, getting their bike up on their own. Ryan with a moto tire on his bike and a firmer moose. Bo with a semi-gummy. I think he's got a VE33 Esca coat on there. Yeah! Working hard on those. Little breather for a second. Got my heart rate up. Those are scary looking. All right. Okay. See if we can do this from here. Look how beautiful this is. I know how good the GoPros are on the colors, so probably looks pretty wild to you guys right now. Ugh, outside line. This might be the most beautiful part of today's ride so far. Wow. Woo! Coming in hot. Oh, wow. No dirt there. Big hole on the inside of that one. Little third gear lug up that hill. Soupy stuff. Oh, bumped it into neutral. I'm good. Just a little sideways. Figured I'd leave this in right here. It kind of shows how big this ledge actually is and how nasty this stuff is. If you go back and back it up just a hair to when I try and go up this thing, it doesn't look that bad, but looking at it from this angle, stopped with the bike sideways and me falling and everything, it really shows how bad this stuff is and what we're actually going up in these videos. Wow, that was pretty steep. Continuing on down some more trails that I can't see on. This trail's so narrow with these cliffs. I don't even get to enjoy the views. I'm gonna have to go back and watch this video with you guys and look at all the cool stuff around here. Wow, look at that. That's not a good spot to go off, but it sure is pretty. Yeah, this stuff, I'm not even looking over the edge right now. I'm just focused on the trail, what's coming up, what I need to ride. Woo! Dragging the back end over the edge there. Wow. That's a Gold Creek style loop. Yeah.
That dirt is slipperier than this one. Dirt is dry,
Oh yeah, got video of it too. Ryan was up there fighting on this one, so let's see what's around the corner. Oh, stay, buddy, stay. I'm gonna have to get off the bike for this one. Not a good spot. Nope. Come on, get this leg in. I think I gotta roll back. Wow, that hill's no joke. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. I'm doing the arm thing. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, share it with your mom, your dog, your friends, blah, 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 blah. Check out bikebandit.com for all your OEM and aftermarket parts and accessories. Check out AZ Dirt Bike Training for a little bit of training tips. And of course, our good friends over at Ready to Ride Rentals for letting us come out and do this stuff. Coming out and letting us do this stuff with them. It's wicked. Take it easy. Get out and ride. I don't know when my